Yeah. It's time for Cool Tools with Eric Schaper.
Hello, this is Eric Schaper with another episode of Cool Tools. Today, I have a Quetzal paired with this little switch that I found. So how it works is, with a Quetzal, if you've never used one, you hook it up to your vacuum as you're cutting drywall for flood restoration, 2 foot, 4 foot, whatever kind of cut you're making, it sucks the drywall dust back in. So no more having to clean up after yourself. So what I found was, on a few other machines that are really expensive, you can pull the trigger and the vacuum will come on by itself. So I said, there's got to be something else out there in the market, and sure enough, I found it. This is all to make your time quicker, easier, and pretty cool. Ready? Here we go. So I turn on my vacuum by hitting the saw. Ah, 7 seconds later, the vacuum will turn off itself. So again, there's going to be some drywall dust in the line for when you finish your cut. So the 7 seconds, make sure it gets vacuumed up into the unit. You can use this on any machine. It could be a backpack. It could be just a pancake vacuum. These are HEPA vacuums, but again, save you a lot of time and zero cleanup. And now every time I pull that trigger, that's gonna go on. Now for my next trick, as I cut my lovely assistant.
Cool Tools with Eric Schaper.